Panlungsod, balita!
Good morning, everyone. To Honorable Vice Mayor Neil P. Salma, my colleagues in the Sangguniang Panlungsod, our guest this morning, Police Lieutenant General Chiquito Malayo, our pride in Tanjay City. Sir, allow me to take pride in reading to you the contents of the resolution that I and Vice Mayor tremendously passed, recognizing your service in the Republic of the Philippines. The resolution is resolution number 22. This is titled as a resolution recognizing and commending Police Lieutenant General Jose Chiquito M. Malayo, retired, for having served as the Deputy Chief of Administration, which is the second highest office in the Philippine National Police in the Republic of the Philippines. Whereas it is the mission of the Philippine National Police to enforce the law, prevent and control crimes, maintain peace and order, and ensure public safety and internal security with the active support of the community. Whereas on August 9, 2022, the Philippine National Police, through Chief General Rodolfo Azurin Jr., ordered the reshuffle of more than 80 ranking police officers, including the 3 top posts of the Force Command Group, one of which was assigned to our dear visitor, Police Lieutenant General Jose Chiquito M. Malayo, a resident of Tanjay City, Negros Oriental. Whereas the Chief General Azurin named Police Lieutenant General Jose Chiquito M. Malayo as the new Deputy Chief of Administration, which is the PNP's second highest official, thereby replacing Lieutenant General Rodel Sermonia, who was reassigned as Chief of the Area Police Command in the Visayas. Whereas prior to his appointment as Deputy Chief of Administration, our guest was assigned in Bukidnon as Chief of Police in 1993, Company Commander in 1994, and Intelligence, Investigation and Operations Officer in the years 1995 to 1999. He was also assigned in the Police Regional Office, then particularly in Regional Intelligence and Investigation Division as Deputy and Chief Counterintelligence Officer. Whereas, during his term as Police Lieutenant General, he was applauded for taking a more holistic approach in its illegal drugs campaign following the statement of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. that he will continue the law enforcement approach of the past administration, but in a more focused way. And for leading the PNP in learning the best method to pull the victims out of the culture and closely work with other agencies in the rehabilitation of identified drug users in every community, which resulted to a nationwide decrease in the crime incidents in record. Whereas his notable works, among others, include his assignment and designation as an officer in charge of the Zamboanga City Police Office in the year 2013. Every one of us knows about this, the very famous Zamboanga siege. The time he defended the city against the Moro Islamic Liberation Front attack. A heroic and selfless act of a man in the Philippine National Police. Whereas Police Lieutenant General Jose Chiquito M. Malayo has shown brilliance and excellence in the field of public service and has enormously brought pride and honor to the city of Tanjay as he emboldens and embodies the mission of the PNP through his years of service in the police force and the essence of that of a true Tanjayanon, having occupied the second highest official position in the Philippine National Police. Whereas the life of Police Lieutenant General Jose Chiquito M. Malayo is another living proof that Tanjayanons excel both in local and national stage. Undeniably, his life and dedication is a source of inspiration to all Tanjayanons, especially those who are engaged in public service. Police Lieutenant General Jose Chiquito M. Malayo, please accept our sincerest congratulations, and we are very proud of you. Tanjay City is actually very proud of you for representing Tanjay City cleanly in the field of public service. Thank you and good morning. And in relation to that, allow me also to take pride in reading to you the Certificate of Appreciation, Republic of the Philippines, Province of Negros Oriental, City of Tanjay. The Honorable Sangguniang Panlungsod acknowledges with great pride and appreciation the many years of commitment and dedication of Police Lieutenant General Jose Chiquito M. Malayo, retired, for his sincere service to the Filipino people. This certificate of appreciation is a little way of the entire Tanjayanan community to thank you and to inform you that all of us, your fellow men, can never be as proudest. Given this 14th day of November 2022 at Tanjay City, Negros Oriental, signed by our dear City Vice Mayor, Neil T. Salma. May I respectfully request all the city councilors to please stand and join us in presenting the resolution and awarding the certificate of appreciation to our guests.
Jadi nagbawa ng mask, di man mo makita. Sir, thank you very much. Thank you for guys of the road. Sir. And also this. Sir, we are yet to sign this, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
Mayong buntag kanatong tanan, ilabi na sa atong presiding officer, our City Vice Mayor, Honorable Neil T. Salma, sir. To the members of the council, sorry if I will read it one by one because this is my first time to be in the session and to see everybody except Honorable Reynel Arcidi because of the last night, sir. So the members are, or the honorable councilors, Reynel Arcidi, Honorable Juvencio Bumanglag Senior, sir. Honorable Regalado D. Salma Jr., sir. Honorable Dominic R. Katubig, Jr., sir. Dumisa, sir. When I grow older, I think my eyes is not that accurate anymore.
Dominic.
Honorable Epifanio Busmion, sir. And Honorable Daryl T. Aba. Honorable Juanito S. Cordes, sir, from the service before. We have also Honorable Lucerito Manso from ROTC Time, sir, if I'm right. Then Honorable Arlo T. Regalado, sir. Honorable Felix Armera, sir. Honorable Sigfrido Huagas, our ABC President. And Honorable James Kenneth Aguilar Sr. Aguilar is State President, sir. And may I recognize also my classmate in high school, Miss Lucette.
Ay, bala dyan yung edad mo.
Yes. Well, I am elated to be given such resolution recognizing my effort in the government and recognizing that I am itanhayanon. Honestly, sabi nga nila, pinakamahirap ma-recognize yung gawain mo doon sa lugar mo. That was biblical. I was given the recognition from the Dumaguete City Council, I think a month ago, as an accepted or adopted constituent of Dumaguete. I was, masaya ka that your job is being recognized by the city of Dumaguete where I had my college studies. But deep inside, I was saying, wala ba sa Tanjay? Sorry. No, but I never know na meron din pala kayo. Thank you very much for this recognition, and I hope I could inspire our younger generation, our Tanjayanons, that indeed we could grow up, we could go up, and we could serve the country not only in the local scene but even in the national level. Being the number 2 man in the PNP is not an easy job, but the hardest way is to go to that position. To manage it is also a challenge, but then again, I'm saying that it takes the heart of a true Tanjayanon to become a true public servant. I would like to say that during my younger years, I was looking at our mayors before, our councilors, and everybody might have heard about during our time that legendary mayor, during my time, it was Mayor Iban Teves, maalala ko, during the discipline days that was necessary. And then followed by our mayors or councilors, nakita kong how Tanjayanon really serve with dignity. There's only one thing that I could size it up. We are for the service of our people in Tanjay. Isa yun sa aking kumbaga gabay that once given the chance to serve, then I will serve my best. I will use my potential as God gave me. So all those years of service for 37 years, 6 months and some days, I'm thankful to God that I've reached this retirement unscathed, although I have a lot of challenges, especially in Mindanao. I almost died in those areas, so there was a time that I applied to serve also our province. But may mga processes, hindi natuloy yun. I would have wanted to serve as provincial director ng Negros Oriental, pero may mga considerations, so it didn't happen. 2 months before I was designated as the director or the deputy chief PNP for administration, I was the commander of the area police command Visayas. So instead na provincial director lang sana, mas mataas ang aking posisyon. I don't know if you've heard about the area police command based in Bacolod. That was the former DIPO, and that is in charge in fighting the insurgency, local terrorist group, including PACs in Central Visayas. So it was a short stint, but I'm happy. Kahit pa paano in my active service, I was given the chance to serve Visayas. Part is Negros Oriental and part in Tanay City. You might have heard I was landing, or I normally pass by Tanay City on my sortie with the chopper. Sorry po, Vice Mayor at mga councilors. Doon ako mag-land sa Lodon. Meron kayong ginawa dyan. May mga structures na. It is not na magyabang. It is not to say, ito na ngayon, ang general mo is with the chopper, uwi lang, naka-chopper pa. But it is hopefully to inspire our children na pwede palang maging ganun. Pwede palang magkaroon ng chance to serve the government with all these perks. No? So I hope I am not taking it on the wrong perspective. It is really to inspire our students especially. Nag-request sana kami noon kahit sa mga schools para mag-land so our student could see somebody. Because during our early years, we were also inspired by the lives of the then Lieutenant Kundes, si Sir Manso nung ROTC days. You know, we have to look up. Ngayon, we are examples of the young. So, sana, our people, our children, will not be lost in their lives at this early stage. So, I hope my life as a Tanjayanon, with what I have achieved, could inspire our children. Marami pong salamat. I am Jose Chiquito Malayo, a full-blooded Tanjayano. Matigas lang ang dila ko magsalita, but then they appreciated me in Camp Crame. I did not prove myself only in the national but even in the international arena, serving the United Nations. Again, maraming salamat at Tanjay, I know with the leadership of our Vice Mayor and the members of the Council, Tanjay will always be a great city for our children. Maraming salamat.
Aksyon! Balita!